Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is Make Money with Video, and in today's video guys we're going to look at a free text-to-speech app. We're also going to look at another text-to-speech app that creates videos, and we're going to compare them guys and see how we can make money using these, or if we can make money. Now this is my channel. I make money with videos. I upload to different social medias using different video creation apps and softwares. And yeah, if you're new to here, please give us a subscribe. Check out any videos what look good to you, and if you like them, give us a thumbs up because it will help the channel. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to quickly show you a couple of YouTube channels what are making these sort of videos and making money with it, guys. And this is Body Hub. It's a fitness channel. They're making between 768 to 12.3 thousand a month. And as you can see in the videos, I've got some text on the videos and a pictures in the background, yeah, images, stock images. Another one, guys, is F-List, yeah, it's 231 to 3.7 thousand a month. They're doing about celebs. They're just putting an image or a picture in the background with text on the screen, guys, yeah. As you can see, certain like words are lit up like in blue on this one, but you can choose the different colors, yeah. So moving on, this is my channel, guys. Movies, Games, Beyond is what I do with my sons. As you can see, I'm making between 319 to 5.1 thousand a month. If we go down and look, here's with the blue writing in the middle. In this one, I've got some pink writing, purple writing. Moving on, I've got some like with a border behind it. Yeah, different border, different colors. Back to the blue. And yeah, guys. Now, if you come over to TikTok, you can see that people are using this method as well. And they're doing, well, 1 minute, let me just refresh it. So they play, and if you look, yeah, look, they're using different ones, different backgrounds, you see. And they're all using stock images and stock photos, guys, yeah. So this is TikTok. So and what you do here, guys, you link it to affiliate link. So that will take you to an affiliate link over on, if I remember correctly, ClickBank. Yeah. Now Fiverr, if you come over here, I've brought in text to video, and you can also write in article to video, blog post to video, blog post, text to speech. And if you look, guys, some of these. Like this one here. Here's the background with the different color, yeah. And then they got like a border, like a box behind it. Another one with a blue writing, another one with green writing. Yeah. If you just come through another one, you can just about see the writing there. Let's just see if we can. That's all we've got. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, people are doing it. Here's one with a box around it. Here's one with the green writing. And there's so many, guys. And if you look, they make this one here, yeah? 221 people have bought this gig. And there it says £3.70, but it's actually at $5, yeah? And look, you can charge what you want on here. You can also go over to sites like Upwork and that, but we're not going to get into that. Now, the apps we're talking about today, well, this one here, called Vidnami, and this basically I'm going to show you two into. So this one, it says you can create content video, presenter videos, right? But you can do them in different formats. Yeah, so you've got your landscape for your YouTube, you've got your square for like Facebook ads, you've got your vertical for TikTok and Instagram stories, etc., guys. And look, you've got all these different. So say for instance, we're going to use the landscape for YouTube because we want to build a YouTube channel, get monetized, make some money, link out to affiliate marketing, and make even more money, guys. Yeah. So you do this, yeah. You pick which one you want. So if you don't want these background around it, so as you can see, guys, they're all pretty much the same kind of format, isn't they? Like, so you've got your like this sort of text, this sort of the way it's set up, yeah. And then you've got your background like we've seen in the other ones, yeah. And yeah, so you can also do. I'm going to be honest, I only ever use this content video. These are the ones I used. It's so simple. I've never tried the presenter videos. They're pretty much the same, but I think it's like, well, your head's just talking. You got your instant ads where you can advertise a product, etc. You got your sales video where it's just all basically on the end of the screen. Training videos, property videos. But let's go on to this, yeah? So if we're going to make a video, we would click on one. It'll say, do you want this one? Use a template. And then you come and paste your script in there. You press create scenes, and it automatically drags stock videos and stock images, yeah? So these are my videos. Let's, for instance, edit this video. I don't know what it is. No, this one, yeah? Edit this one. Yeah, so you put in your script, you click on edit scenes, so you go to your scenes, and it automatically creates it for you guys. So it automatically finds a video for you. But if you didn't want this video, guys, you would come over here, you could click on any of the keywords what are here. You can type in your own keywords and search. You can have a look for clips or images. Guys, if I didn't want that and I wanted that, just easily click it. And that's how easy it is, guys. If I didn't want the text there, I will put it there. Put it anywhere you want, yeah? And then you go on to your next. If you want that one, you keep it. If not, move it along. And that's basically the legit of it, guys. You'll then go through it all, see which one, if you like any of them on that. And then when it gets to the bottom, going a bit faster here, you take your time, obviously. You click on add voice, yeah. And then you can either record your own voice here. You can have it with no voice. You can have it with the AI voice. So you can click who you wanted, yeah. And then that's what you do. You preview video and then you download it, guys. That is the legit of it, yeah. The legit of it. The next one, let's have a quick look at the pricing for this, guys. You get a 14-day free trial, yeah. And within that 14-day, you can make as many as you want. So you can try it for free, and then you can either have the monthly plan or the annually plan, right? The monthly plan is $47. Yeah, so if you wanted to do that, you'd select there. If you wanted to pay it up front, you'd select that, you get 30% off there. But guys, what you can do, you can get 25% off Vidnami for life. So that'll be $35 a month instead of the $47 per month, guys. But not only that, you also get Storyblocks video clips library built in, Storyblocks music tracks built in, and plus you get all these extra bonuses. So you get your ultimate video traffic blueprint pack, 21 ways to find clients, 5-minute Facebook ads, convert your phone into a pro video, and ultimate YouTube cheat sheet. That is if you want to go down that road, guys. But the video is called Free Text-to-Speech App, which brings me to the next one, guys. These links for this and the link to the free trial will be in the description, as well as this next app, which is Invideo, guys. Now, these have pre-made templates, yeah, over 4,000 templates, text to video, and a blank canvas where you can create your own video from scratch. But because of this video, we are talking about text to videos. But before we show that, I use this mainly for all these different templates, because these templates, guys, you can just add your logo, add your web description, and then post it. You can look restaurants. You can just offer these to different restaurants. You don't have to edit them. You send it them. If they like it, then you tweak it. And they always upload different ones for different days. They're coming soon is Memorial Day, guys. I'm sure you all are aware of that. Please show your respect. Now this one, a karate dojo, you can download it and send it to different karate places and ask them, do they want to buy your video? But for this video, guys, we're not doing a pre-made template. This is just how I use it. That's how I do the video marketing, yeah? We're going to go to text to speech. Now, again, you can choose different styles. So you can have your wide for YouTube, you can have Facebook, or you can have your Instagram and TikTok. So we're going to use wide, yeah? Now, again, these have got like your text in the middle, yeah, in the box, like with a frame around it. And then you can check out all these different ones, guys. And if you like any of them, you choose it, yeah? And then that's how easy it is. Or you can have these styles where you have like an image there and a bit of text there. Looks a bit cooler, doesn't it? And like this one, with pictures and that, images and that. So you just choose which one you want, and again, it's the exact same. You upload, it finds the images, the videos for you guys. If you don't like them, you swap them over like in the last app, and that is it, guys. But I'm going to just log out and show you the price of this one. Yeah, let's log out. Hopefully, it'll give me the page I want to show you. Pricing, yeah, go to pricing. Right, so this one, guys, look, let's just put it onto monthly pay. I always have to pay monthly me. It is $0 a month, guys. It is free forever. You get started, but it will have the Invideo watermark on it. So when you produce a video, it will have the watermark. I'm not sure. All right, so this one is professional video creation tool. It's you'd have to look in the rules, guys, terms and conditions. I'm not sure if you get the commercial license with this. I'm not sure, but you might do, guys. Anyway, or you can get it. You can get $30 a month, guys. Bill monthly, yeah. You don't get the watermarks on it. You can try it for free for 7 days, guys, and then it'll be $30. Which is still cheaper than Vidnami if you look at it in that respect, and you also get the all the templates where you can make even more money. Just saying, guys. But yeah, guys, it is free. You can start it for free, and it's free forever. If then you decide you want to upgrade, then there you go, guys. You've got it for $30 a month. Yeah. Go through the link in my description, and I think you get a bit of a discount. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to check on that and let you know. But like I said, it is free, guys. Sign up, start creating lots of videos, start building YouTube channels, sell it on TikTok, on Fiverr. Yeah. And that is it, guys, for today's video. This is Make Money with Video. I'm showing you how to use video apps like Vidnami and Invideo. It's free text-to-speech apps. They're both free. One's free forever if you decide to go down that route. That's Invideo. Once you get a 14-day trial, if you decide you want that, you can either stay there, and I think they email you some offers where you can get it for cheap, or you can go through the link in my description and get it for 25% off, or you can go through Invideo, get the plan for $30 a month, and you're saving $5 from Vidnami. But it's entirely up to you guys. Have a try of both of them, see which one you like the best. Let me know which one you like the best, and thanks very much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and until next time, guys, goodbye.